am Priyansh. Today at my house there is a party, so I am going to buy things. Come on. Come. Oh, popcorn. How much total amount, uncle? How much for this?
Please wait. Please wait.
One, two, three, four, five. Uncle,
10 rupee more.
25.
X. अच्छा ठीक है.
बोल कौन है?
Thank you. Thank you. Please carry.
Oh,
Please carry.
how much for this?
10 rupees only.
10 rupees. Okay. Uncle, can you give change? Oh,
Please. There. 8 minutes.
wow. From the early morning till tonight, we need help of mathematics to buy things or planning something. We communicate in mathematics like other subjects. Thank you.